MarkApp at Cannes Lions 2025, Connecting Innovation and Global Programmatic Media. The Cannes Lions International Festival of Creativity, the world's most prestigious celebration of advertising, media, and marketing excellence, returns this June to the iconic French Riviera. From June 16-20, global leaders across creative, tech, and media will gather to define the future of brand communication, and MarkApp will be at the heart of it. Why Cannes Lions matters. Cannes Lions has evolved far beyond a festival of creative awards. It's now a convergence of programmatic evolution, retail media, AI-driven storytelling, and CTV dominance aligning perfectly with MarkApp's mission and expertise across digital channels. In 2025, the programmatic ecosystem continues to shift toward contextual intelligence, cross-platform convergence, and media curation at scale. These are precisely the areas where MarkApp thrives, MarkApp's presence and why it matters. As a fast-scaling, independent ad tech company with proprietary tech, MarkApp is redefining how advertisers reach audiences across CTV, mobile apps, and the open web. During Cannes Lions, our team will be engaging with global media buyers, publishers, DSPs, and agencies to expand partnerships and showcase the strength of our marketplace. Key highlights. Contextual CTV bidder, operating at scale globally. Premium publisher integrations with platforms like Rakuten, TCL, Scripps, EW, Wedo TV, Neon TV+, Amaji, and VGI. Top-tier mobile app, SSP and SDK integrations, including Digital Turbine, Verve, Algorix, LoopMe, Smato. Trusted by leading brands and agencies, Publicis Group, Havas, Zenith Media, Rascal Global, and more. Active DSP monetization with Adform, Xandr, Sovern, PulsePoint, and others. 5+ billion monthly impressions across CTV, app, and web inventory. Global footprint with strong presence in North America, EMEA, and expanding across APAC and LATAM. Book a meeting with us. Whether you're a brand exploring premium CTV activations, a mobile developer scaling monetization, or an agency looking to integrate contextual signals, Cannes is the perfect time to connect. Email us to schedule a meeting. adtech@markappmedia.site. We'll be on the ground in Cannes from June 16-20. Let's explore how MarkApp can power your next phase of growth.